गोंयच्या संरक्षणा खातीर 5 मुखेल मुद्दे आनी थाराव हे सभेत मांडटले. हातूंत गोंय शेती जमीन कायदो 2026 आनी जमीन रुपांतरणाचो मुखेल मुद्दो आसा. गोंयची शेतां आनी रानवठारांचे वेवसायीक कारणां खातीर जावपी रुपांतर बंद करपाची मागणेचोय आस्पाव आसा. तेच बरोबर गोंयच्या गांवांची कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी तपासपा खातीर सरकारान अर्थसंकल्पांत विशेष तरतूद करची असोय थाराव घेतले.
जी सभा आम्ही आपली आझाद मैदानार सरकारान आमचे परमिशन फाटी घेतला आणि तेका लागून आम्ही ठरयले आम्ही 30 तारखेर मेळटले पूण ऑनलायन. एन अपील टू एवरीबॉडी wherever you are, in groups, singly, please tune on and join the meeting so that you have a broad idea of how the movement prepares to move ahead. Both the important issues that I propose, I have discussed and will raising are: first, we are meeting the governor and we have sought his appointment to immediately summon a meeting of the Goa Legislative Assembly to discuss the Goa Agricultural Lands Act 2026. If this bill is enacted, it will stop the destruction of our hills, of our agricultural lands, and more importantly, it will save our agricultural land from being converted and or other lands going out of people who are not resident in Goa for at least 30 years. We had asked the government to implement the 10-point charter. Till date, the government has done nothing in the matter. We had asked that budgetary provisions be made for carrying out studies on carrying capacity. 5 मुद्दे आसतलेत हे बसकेचे आणि हे मुद्दे घेऊन आम्ही मुखार वयतलेत.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.